ओम तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे वाग विशुद्धाय धीमहि तन्नो शिव प्रचोदयात्. Now I am before you with a new topic, the Malavya Mahapurush Yoga. And this Malavya Mahapurush Yoga is formed when Venus in its own sign or exaltation sign occupies one of the Kendra Bhavas. Venus gets directional strength in fourth bhava. So the most powerful Malavya Yoga is formed in the fourth bhava. To understand Malavya Yoga, because the definition of Malavya Yoga given in that ancient text on Vedic Jyotish is very simple. So to understand the Malavya Yoga, we have to understand what Venus gives in its acceleration. Then we can say, if under that condition Venus forms Malavya Yoga, then it will be a highest order of Raj Yoga. Pardon, not Raj Yoga, it is Raj Yoga. Raj Yogas are different. So it is the highest order of Raj Yoga. In other signs, its own signs, Venus gives less result what has been attributed to Venus in exaltation. Think like that. Even in its debilitation sign, Venus gives prosperity, wealth, a beautiful and charming wife. And the native, the owner of that person having Venus in debilitation sign lives in foreign country. These are the natural results or the general results of Venus in debilitation. But now we are talking about Venus in exaltation. To understand the Malavya Mahapurush Yoga, one of the strong Raj Yogas. So I am sharing the screen, showing the result of Venus in exaltation. So this is an article written by me. Venus in exaltation. So this sloka, this is given in Mansagri. Mansagri, as you know, is a legendary text on Vedic Jyotish. That's the sloka is Deva Jnana Kushlo Yantri Tantri Cha Gayaka Kavisha Kamla Vilasalapi that Guru Uchge Kurute. This is the slok. So I have translated it, this slok, in English from my understanding, on the basis of my understanding. It is a sloka from Mansagri. So Deva Jnana Kushalaha. What is Deva Jnana? First, it is to be understood what is Deva Jnana. Deva Jnana means I have written this like one proficient in the knowledge of Sanskrit. It should be one who is proficient in the knowledge of Sanskrit, because Sanskrit is Devavani, Devanagari. Sanskrit and the script in which Sanskrit and Devanagari, Sanskrit and Hindi are written is Devanagari script, Yajna. and Yajna is a part of Yajurved. So person will be expert in Yajurved also. Myth Sanjeevani. Myth Sanjeevani was the knowledge given to that Guru Shukracharya by Lord Shiva. It is so. It is also Devagyan. Samudrik Shastra. The Kartikeya, the son of Lord Shiva, was a propounder of Samudrik Shastra. And you can say Jyotish is also the part of that. And according to Purana, the Jyotish Vidya was given to Rishi Narad by Rishi Sanandan. Sanandan was one of the Rishi of four Sankadi Rishis. So this all comes under Deva Jnana Kushlaha. The person will be proficient in these subjects. I have Venus in exaltation forming Mallavya Yoga from Moon and Mallavya Yoga in Chali Chakra. So I can well understand this. Yantri. Yantri means the instruments. In ancient time, yantras were considered to be the magical figures. And some instruments also. So here yantri means expert in machinery. Because machinery is also yantra. Geometry. Those magical figures. The art of drawing those magical figures today comes under geometry and machine drawing. So person will be expert in these subjects. Now comes Tantri. The Tantra or Tantric, that refers to Tantric, who have many methods of black magic to harm us. But here, Tantra has also different meaning. Tantra means system. In Sanskrit or Hindi, our system, the body system is also known as Tantrika Tantra. And so this Tantra is used for a system, a person who performed a system. So he will be a tantric, a profounder of an effective system. That the Guru Shukracharya, through his nitis, gave various systems. To be followed by human beings. Gayakaha. Here, Gayak means singer. It is not a simple singer. It is a legendary singer. So he will be a great singer and an expert of Gandharva Veda. Gandharva Veda are one of the core Upaveda. Shatpat Brahmana Upaveda, Dhanur Upaveda, Gandharva Upaveda, and Ayurveda. It is also Upaveda. Kavishaha means the lord of the poets, not ordinary poet. So in ancient India or Vedic India, Sanatan India, the Adi Kavi was Bhagwan Valmiki, and after that, Bhagwan Vedavyas was the greatest Kavi of ancient of Vedic India. So the person will be somewhat like Bhagwan Valmiki or Bhagwan Vedvyas in poetry. So in Kaliyug, we have legendary poets like Kalidasa, and in Hindi too, we have legendary poets like Goswami Tulsidas and Surdas. So you now well understood the meaning of Kavisha. Kamla Vilas Lapi. Kamla means Lakshmi, means that indicates huge wealth. So the person or he becomes a lord of huge wealth, symbolized by goddess Lakshmi. That Guru Ruchagah Kurte condition apply when that Guru Shukra is in exaltation. Dear student, think with these characteristics, Venus forms Mallav Yoga. The person, in true sense, the person becomes legendary figure in the world. That's what Mallav Yoga, Mallav Mahapurush Yoga reflects. It is also a highest form of Raj Yoga. Not Raj Yoga. It is highest form of Raj Yoga. Raj Yoga are different. Those yogas are for political success. It is Raj Yoga. So now I am going to end this video lecture and I will be back with new topic. Till then, goodbye. परमात्मा शिव एवं भगवती पार्वती आप सभी को सद्बुद्धि प्रदान करें।